Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Elgato Facecam app and drivers step by step clearly. To download the Elgato Facecam app and drivers, start by opening your web browser. In the search bar, type Elgato Facecam app download and press enter. Look for the official Elgato website in the search results. Click on the link to the Elgato website. Once the page loads, navigate to the support or downloads section. Locate the section dedicated to the Facecam. You will find the option to download the Facecam app. Click on the download link for the app. A prompt may appear asking where to save the file. Choose a location on your computer and click Save. Once the download is complete, navigate to the folder where the file is saved. Double-click the downloaded file to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the app. After the app is installed, you will need to download the drivers. Return to the Elgato website and locate the drivers section. Select the appropriate drivers for your operating system. Click on the download link for the drivers. Again, choose a location to save the driver file and click Save. Once the driver download is complete, go to the folder where it was saved. Double-click the driver file to start the installation. Follow the prompts to complete the driver installation. Restart your computer to ensure everything is updated. After the restart, open the Elgato Facecam app. You are now ready to use your Elgato Facecam with the newly installed app and drivers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.